Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get free stuff in Skip the Dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up Skip the Dishes guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the main page of the application where you can see all the restaurants that are near you and that you can use for ordering food. So guys, now as you can see at the bottom page, we have multiple sections such as the restaurant section. Here we can see our search, our orders, and so on. And guys, as you will notice, the last section that we can see in the bottom right corner is the reward section. Guys, this is the section that we want to use. So guys, basically what the rewards are is when you're ordering food from restaurants near you, you get some points. So guys, the more you order, the more points you will get, and they will appear right here in your rewards section. So guys, you can see once you collect enough points, you can go ahead and redeem your points to get dollars off of your next order. You can get free orders this way. So guys, basically by ordering more and more, you're going to get more points. You can see it will look like something like this, where you're going to go ahead and get points per dollar spent. As you can see, you'll you can keep this status in the future or maybe lose it depending on how much or how less you order. So guys, basically after ordering enough, go ahead, collect your points right here and spend them on any restaurant that you want. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you get free stuff and food in the application. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.